Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add weather widget to iPhone home screen. So if you want to add the weather widget to your iPhone home screen, then here is a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add weather widget to your iPhone home screen, all you need to do is press and hold the home screen. Once you see the widget check-in or wiggling, click on the edit button at top left, click on add widget. Then you should see the widget page pops. On the widget page, come here where you see search widget and search for weather widgets. Then click on it. Here you should see different type of weather widget you have that you can use on your iPhone home screen. Now, let's say you want to use this particular weather widget. All you need to do is go ahead and click on add widget. Once you click on add widget, then you should see the widget added to your iPhone home screen. You can use this adjuster to adjust the weather widget size, or use it to increase it. So just adjust the weather widget size to your choice, and once you've adjusted that, go ahead and click on the done button at the top right, and then this is going to save or add the weather widget to your iPhone home screen. Whenever your iPhone screen is locked or restarted, the weather widget will still be available. You see that? So that's exactly how to add weather widget to iPhone home screen. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.